Hey everybody, welcome back to our first project of fourth quarter. We are in my bedroom example here, just to kind of show you guys some of the features. You can see the bedroom, and then I've added the walls for the closet. If you have a closet in your bedroom, you should also add the walls to your closet so that it's just not a door going nowhere. Right here is a door to a bathroom, but I am not going to include that as of right now. But if you have a closet, make sure to add those walls and door for your closet. Okay, so today our focus is adding furniture. I said we would add a new twist. So on the side here, we're going to go to components. This was materials, which we had been through before. Okay, this is search 3D warehouse up here, which is what we want. And now we're going to change it up a little bit. I don't want to search for 2D furniture. I want to go into actual 3D furniture, whatever we can find. So I'm going to go 3D. I'm just going to say bed. Let's just try that and see what happens. Okay, so you have all of these crazy looking beds here. Okay, 117 pages, which is a whole lot. Okay, this is 3D with 2 nightstands. Okay. And I actually know the size that I'm looking for is a queen. So let's just go queen size bed and see what happens there. Okay. So now we have some options. Okay. So looking at all of these, I am going to go ahead and just choose this basic one here. Okay. There it is. Okay. And I'll place it this way. Now I'm going to go over here to move, and rotate. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to click spot here, midpoint. Again, you guys have to click somewhere to start, second click, and then I will turn 90 degrees. There it is. And then I'm going to go back to the move tool. Oops, that was my fault. I should have grabbed it by the midpoint. Let's change that. There's midpoint, and find a midpoint there. I'm not sure what happened where I lost it, so let's just do a quick undo. There we go. Go back to move. Find a midpoint on the edge. There we go. I'm not sure why I'm losing it. Interesting. Let's click off, see what happens. Okay. Try one more thing. Let's go back to move. I wonder if clicking on that midpoint had anything to do. Sometimes these can be a little sensitive. All right. So we'll leave it there, just so we don't lose the actual object. And that's good you guys got a chance to see that, because each of these objects you can see here, are made by individual people. So it's hard to know how they're going to act in your model or your project, right? So all you can do is test one out. If you don't like it, click undo, get rid of it, and try something else. But we're going to keep this one in here just for the sake of a simple bed. It seems to fit the purpose. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go 3D. So nightstand, see what comes up. Okay, so this one has the 2 on either side. This looks like a pretty simple little nightstand here, so I'm going to go ahead and just try this one out. Okay, that is rather large for a nightstand. All right, let's just get rid of that. Let's try 3D end table. We'll try another one here. Sure, end table 7. We'll try that. Okay, that looks fine. So I'm going to go ahead, place one here. I'm going to grab another one by clicking it again. So you can see how I went back and got a second one. Okay, so 2 end tables. And then I'm going to just look for a 3D dresser. Kind of speed this up so you guys don't have to watch too much of this. Right, bunch of options here, right? And if you look here, there's 26 pages. So a decent amount. Let's just go to another page just to see what pops up. Okay, so this looks pretty basic. We're gonna grab this one, see what happens. And see how it kind of just plopped it in anywhere it wanted, which was interesting. So let's select it and see if we can move it. I'm gonna try and go to rotate. Let's test this out. We'll grab a, try and grab a midpoint here, which it's not giving me. But we'll see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and flip this thing around 180 degrees. There we go. I'm going to go back to move, see if it'll let me grab a point on it and move it, which it does. Oh, interesting. Okay, like I said, it's hard to predict how these are going to react. All right, so there is a dresser there. I'm going to go ahead and just grab the same one just to kind of speed this up. I'm not trying to make this real pretty. Click on it, go to move, try and grab a point, and see if it'll let me bring it here, which it does, but it looks weird. So we're going to go undo, and we're going to have to try, let's just see if we can manually move it. Sometimes they act different. Okay, so we're going to bring it there. All right, good. So I wanted you guys to get a chance just to see really quick, going through and trying to find some 3D furniture, which is going to give you a lot more options. As you can see by the menus there, one was 117 pages, one is 26. Obviously, you can spend your time trying to find, the one you think is the closest to what you have in your actual bedroom. I just want to just give a couple quick ones to make this video shorter. But try and make things as accurate as you can. But don't get too crazy spending, an hour on here looking at every single dresser possible. Just trying to get the basic shape and size to your best knowledge, right? Kind of guessing as you look at these. Open one up. If it doesn't work, undo, try a different one until you get pretty close to what you need. When you finish furniture, right, for the day, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. When you finish your furniture, just go up here, click save, right, just to save all changes. It says it's saving. Right, and then when it goes back to being black letters, there you go. We are done. All right, so I hope that was helpful for everybody. Just a quick review. Again, we're doing 3D furniture for this project because coming up soon, we are going to make your floor plan from a floor plan to an actual 3D model. And I will show you guys that coming up on Monday. So make sure you save this. When you're done with this and it matches your graph paper sketch, please take a screenshot, write a quick picture of this. You'll need to save that, and you'll be submitting that for the project next week. All right, guys, take care. Hope everything is going well, and have a great weekend.